Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Guys, in this video we're going to be talking about turmeric body scrub, and this is our turmeric, honey, ginger and kojic acid brightening body scrub. I will put a video on the left hand side to show you viewers how we make our turmeric. So this basically has sugar for scrubbing the body, and it has turmeric in it. It also has honey, it has ginger, it has kojic acid, it has snow white powder, and it also has giga white powder. So guys, if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation on your knees guys, your knees, I'm showing you my knees on camera because my knees are absolutely spotless on your knees, your elbows, if you've got problems, your knuckles, guys, scrub. This is 100% organic ingredients. It exfoliates the skin, it removes dead skin cells, and it actually helps your hyperpigmentation area to brighten up. It gives a beautiful natural glowy skin. For those of you that have damaged your skin with strong creams, not using those creams again, your skin is left with a lot of hyperpigmentation because you use chemicals on your body. If you use our turmeric body scrub, it will give you the perfect remove all those dead skin cells and remove the hyperpigmented area. So if you do use our body scrub, it will make your skin feel so amazing. If you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, as I initially said, it will clear off your hyperpigmented skin and leave your skin to a very beautiful natural glowy skin. On my left hand side, I will put a mini video of how we make our scrubs. Our scrubs are 100% organic. It brightens the area with turmeric. This gets rid of spots. If you also have an acne prone skin, you can use this to basically scrub your face before you have a shower, and it will help get rid of the acne. Once you scrub your face, obviously it's going to take off all the dead skin cells off it, so that when after washing you can put your acne cream and it will be more effective. It basically helps getting rid of acne, blackheads, a whole lot. So guys, try our turmeric body scrub. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your whole body. This is an amazing product. There is a video on the left showing you guys how we make it. We use both brown sugar and white sugar. We use turmeric, we use kojic acid powder, we also use snow white powder, we use giga white powder. This is a very good body scrub. Try it and you will never regret it. Go to our website www.lebucosmetique.com for our turmeric body scrub, and do not forget to use LBC10. I'll put a coupon code right in front of me for 10% off your entire order. When you go to lebucosmetique.com, there are so many other skin products, so depending on what you are going through at the moment, it will help clear your skin perfectly. We do have body creams, we do have pink lip creams, we do have a whole lot. So guys, try it out.